Web Development Crash Course, an overview. Welcome to the Web Development Crash Course. In this comprehensive guide, we will provide you with an overview of web development, exploring its importance, the core technologies involved, and the essential techniques and methods used to build dynamic and interactive websites. Web development plays a crucial role in the digital age, enabling businesses and individuals to create an online presence, showcase their products and services, and interact with users on a global scale. With the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing reliance on the internet, web development has become a highly sought-after skill in today's job market. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The birth of the World Wide Web. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, proposed the concept of the World Wide Web, WWW. He developed the first web browser and web server, creating the foundation for modern web development. This revolutionary invention transformed the way information is shared and accessed worldwide. 2. The rise of e-commerce. The advent of e-commerce websites, such as Amazon and eBay, has revolutionized the way we shop. These platforms enable users to browse, select, and purchase products online, opening up a world of convenience and accessibility. E-commerce web development involves creating secure payment gateways, user-friendly interfaces, and robust inventory management systems. 3. Social media and user interaction. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have transformed how we connect and communicate. Web developers have played a vital role in building these platforms, allowing users to create profiles, share content, and interact with others in real time. The development of features like notifications, messaging systems, and news feeds requires expertise in web technologies. 4. Responsive web design. With the proliferation of smartphones and tablets, responsive web design has become crucial. This approach ensures that websites adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices, providing an optimal user experience. Web developers use techniques like fluid layouts, flexible images, and media queries to create responsive designs. 5. Web apps and progressive web applications, PWAs. Web development has expanded beyond static websites to include web applications. These apps run in web browsers and provide functionalities similar to native applications. Progressive web applications, PWAs, are a hybrid of web and mobile apps, offering features like offline functionality, push notifications, and device access. They are built using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Top 12 Web Development Techniques/Methods. 1. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the backbone of web development. It defines the structure and content of web pages using tags and elements. Web developers use HTML to create headings, paragraphs, links, images, forms, and other elements that make up a website. 2. CSS Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used to style web pages, controlling the layout, colors, fonts, and overall visual presentation. It enhances the aesthetics of a website and ensures consistency across different web pages. CSS works hand in hand with HTML to create appealing and responsive designs. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is a powerful scripting language that adds interactivity and dynamic features to websites. It enables developers to create complex functionalities like form validation, animations, interactive maps, and responsive menus. JavaScript is essential for client-side web development. 4. Responsive web design. With the increasing use of mobile devices, responsive web design has become crucial. This technique ensures that websites adapt to different screen sizes and devices, providing a seamless user experience. Responsive web design involves using fluid layouts, flexible images, and media queries. 5. Front-end frameworks. Front-end frameworks, such as Bootstrap and Foundation, provide pre-designed and customizable components, grids, and styles. These frameworks accelerate web development by offering a foundation for building responsive and visually appealing websites. 6. Back-end development. Back-end development involves creating the server-side components of a website. It includes working with programming languages like Python, PHP, Ruby, or Node.js to handle data storage, user authentication, and server-side processing. 7. Database management systems. Web applications often require databases to store and manage large amounts of data. Popular database management systems, DBMS, like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL are used to create, read, update, and delete data efficiently. 8. API integration. Web developers integrate application programming interfaces, APIs, to leverage external services and data sources. APIs allow websites to interact with services like payment gateways, social media platforms, mapping services, and weather information, enhancing functionality and user experience. 9. Content management systems, CMS. Content management systems like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla simplify the process of creating and managing website content. These platforms provide a user-friendly interface and pre-built functionalities, enabling non-technical users to build and update websites easily. 10. Security practices. Web developers must prioritize security to protect websites and user data from malicious attacks. Implementing secure coding practices, using HTTPS protocols, validating user inputs, and implementing proper authentication and authorization mechanisms are essential for web development. 11. Testing and debugging. Thorough testing and debugging are crucial to ensure a website functions correctly. Web developers employ techniques like unit testing, integration testing, and cross-browser testing to identify and fix bugs, ensuring a smooth user experience. 12. Continuous learning and adaptation. Web development is a rapidly evolving field. To stay updated with the latest technologies and best practices, developers must engage in continuous learning. This includes reading industry blogs, attending conferences, participating in online forums, and exploring new frameworks and tools. Summarization. In this web development crash course, we explored the fascinating world of web development. We learned about its importance in today's digital landscape and discovered the core technologies and techniques used to create dynamic and interactive websites. From the birth of the World Wide Web to the rise of e-commerce and social media, web development has revolutionized how we interact with the online world. We delved into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as the foundation of web development, along with responsive design, front-end frameworks, back-end development, and database management. We also discussed the integration of APIs, the role of content management systems, security practices, testing and debugging, and the importance of continuous learning in web development. Now, let's express our newfound knowledge through a poem and a song. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.